Hello everyone. First things first, thank you so much for the overwhelming support that you have shown through your likes and comments. That means a lot to us. And due to which we have planned to explore the same topic where we will be discussing about what it takes to be an impactful trainer. So, our first theme for the day is power of engagement in training. And we have Sanan. Sanan is known for creating engaging and charismatic trainings. Let's hear it from him. Sanan, why is it crucial to maintain a high energy environment in training, and what are your secret ingredients?
So basically, it's actually all about combating fatigue and boredom. So usually, when it comes to training, these sessions that are there, they can normally go up to 90 minutes as well. And sometimes it gets very long for, the new joiners or the candidates that are there as well. So what I usually try to do is, sometimes I try to keep energy a little bit high, because these topics which are there, right, they are very new to them. And also these are very, less relatable to these joiners that come in as well. So also, sometimes just a quick break can refresh and recharge these new joiners. So also one important thing is that we need to identify, when to give a break. Because see, most of the time, sometimes what happens is that these breaks that are there, right, they are very timed. But we need to be a little flexible so that we can at least accommodate individual needs and preferences as well. Also, allowing participants to take, additional breaks if necessary without even, giving them or making them feel that pressure or rush.
Breaks are anyways definitely mood refreshers. But if you see a sudden energy drop in a day, what do you do?
Sajid, apart from that, what else I usually do is, I go ahead and sprinkle some energizers like quizzes. Also, I add some surprise elements such as some random games as well. See, the main idea is to keep them encouraged.
Our next theme is navigating audience dynamics in training. Joining me is Gary, renowned for his exceptional people management skills in training sessions. So Gary, what are the primary challenges that you face while managing people in training?
Thanks, Ajit. Adapting to diverse audience is indeed a significant challenge. In our session, we come across various types of participants. Firstly, there are something called pretenders, who appear engaged but are actually lost in their own thoughts. With attention span decreasing, engaging them by soliciting their opinions becomes essential to keep them focused.
But Gary, I am sure that you would have encountered folks who want to share their point of view on every single topic, because I have seen them. How do you manage those people?
Indeed, the Gabbers. Their enthu keeps things lively, creating an high-octane atmosphere that benefits everyone involved.
What about those who initially add value but eventually lose track?
That's the strays that you are talking about. While they initially contribute, they sometimes veer off track. Despite this challenge, their energy often fosters an engaging learning environment.
That's all for today, everyone. We will be exploring a different theme in our next video.